Good morning, all of you. Last class we discussed about multiple and submultiple angles problems. Using the using the using the multiple and submultiple angles uh, formulas, we have to solve the different types of problems. Now we see the continuous of the problems. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to solve the problems by applying the trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. Multiple and submultiple angles. Now we see the recap. In the last class, you learnt the following: sin 2 theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. The formula of sin 2 theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta, and also equal to tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is also one formula. And the same way, cos 2 theta is equal cos square theta minus sin square theta, and also equal 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and also equal to cos square theta minus 1. Now another formula is there in cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Now we see the another formula. Tan 2 theta is equal to tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and cot 2 theta is equal cos square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. Already we know these formulas. Okay. Already we discussed the last class and previous class also we discussed about these formulas. Now we see this one. Further, you learn the following formula. Further, you learn the following formula. Those are sin 3 theta is equal 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and cos 3 theta is equal 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta is equal 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and cot 3 theta is equal 3 cot theta minus cot cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 cot square theta. Okay, these are the formulas of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, and also following the sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta, and cot 3 theta. Further, you learnt the following: sin 18 degrees is equal, we know that root 5 minus 1 by 4, and also equal cos 72 degrees. Second one, cos 18 degrees is equal root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4, and also equal sin 72 degrees. Okay, number 3, sin 36 degrees is equal square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, that is equal sin 72 degrees. And number 3, you have to following sin 36 degrees is equal square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, that is equal cos 54 degrees. Number 4, cos 36 degrees is equal root 5 plus 1 by 4, that is also equal sin 54 degrees. Okay. Now we see this one. Example 1. Prove that sin pi by 4, sin 2 pi by 4, sin 3 pi by 4, sin 4 pi by 4. Okay, is equal what? 5 by 16. Now we have to prove this one. LHS part we have to take sin 36 degrees. Pi by 4 means sin 36, 2 pi by 4 means sin 72, sin 108, and sin 144 degrees. From here sin 36 degrees is into sin 72 degrees into sin 108. How to write this one? 180 degrees minus 72 into sin of 180 minus 36, that is also equal to 144 degrees. The next step you have to following sin 36 degrees into sin 72 degrees into 180 minus 72 we get 72 sin 72, and again sin 180 minus 36 we get sin 36 degrees, because sin of 180 minus theta sin theta, and sin of 180 minus 36 degrees we get sin 36 as well. The next step we have to take sin square 36 degrees into sin square 72 degrees. Okay, sin square 36 into sin square 72, both are be 2 times is there, that's why we have to multiply this one. Okay, sin square 36 into sin square 72. We know that sin 36 value is what? Square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 whole square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 whole square. That is equal, now we write square root will be cancelled, we get 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 into 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Now we can do the multiplication, 10 into 10 100 minus 2 into 2 4 root 5 cancel, we get 5 only, 4 into 5 20. So that we get here 10 100 minus 20 divided by 4 into 4 equal to 16 is there. Okay, 16 into 16, square root means 16 16, that is 100 minus 20 80 by 16 into 16 we get here 16 5 ja 80, then we get 5 by 16 is the RHS part. Okay, here just you observe here sin pi by 4, sin 2 pi by 4, sin 3 pi by 4 5, sin 4 by 5 is equal, we get sin 36, sin 72, sin 108 and sin 144 degrees. Here in the we know that sin 36 value and sin 72 degrees value, but we don't know about the sin 108 value and sin 144 degrees value. So that's why we have to converted sin of 180 minus 72, that is equal 108. Sin of 180 minus 36 we get sin 144. Now here sin of 180 minus theta sin theta, and again sin of 180 minus 36 we get sin 36. Here the both are available of sin 36 and sin 72 degrees, then we have to multiply, we get sin square 36 and sin square 72 degrees. Now in the place of sin square 36 we know we write the value square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 whole square, and sin square 72 we have to write square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 whole square. Then we get simplification, we get 5 by 16 is the RHS value. Okay, now the second example, without using table prove that cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11 is equal to 1 by 32 degrees. Okay, now we write here, consider C is equal cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11. Write pi by 11 is equal, we have to write A, that is C is equal cos A, cos 2A, cos 3A, cos 4A and cos 5A. Take S is equal sin A, sin 2A, sin 3A, sin 4A, sin 5A. So that C into S we have to multiply both one, we get cos A into cos 2A, cos 3A, cos 4A, cos 5A into sin A, sin 2A, sin 3A, sin 4A, sin 5A. Multiply divided by RHS by 2 to the power of 5. So that we get here C into S is equal 1 by 2 to the power of 5 into sin 2A outright 2 sin A cos A and 2 sin 2A cos 2A, 2 sin 3A cos 3A, 2 sin 4A cos 4A, 2 sin 5A cos 5A, that is equal 1 by 2 to the power of 4. We get here sin 2A and sin 2 of 2A and sin 2 of 3A, sin 2 of 4A and sin 2 of 5A we get. Therefore, C into S is equal 1 by 2 to the power of 5. We get sin 2A, sin 4A, sin 6A, sin 8A, sin 10A. From this is 1. But A is equal to what? Pi by 11. That is 11A is equal to what? Pi. Right, 6A is equal, right, 6A is equal 11A minus 5A. and 8a is equal 11a minus 3a. 10a is equal 11a minus a. Using this equation 1 becomes, okay. Now c into s is equal 1 by 2 to the power of 5 into sine 2a into sine 4a into sine of 11a minus 5a into sine of 11a minus 3a and sine of 11a minus a, and also equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 5 into sine 2a into sine of 4a into sine of pi minus 5a and sine of pi minus 3a and sine of pi minus a, and also equal 1 by 2 to the power of 5 sine 2a into sine 4a into sine 5a into sine 3a into sine a. That implies Ca into S is equal 1 by 2 to the power of 5 sin A into sin 2a into sin 3a into sin 5a into sin 4a into sin 5a. So the C into S is equal 1 by 2 to the power of 5 into S. Here S is cancel. C is equal what? 1 by 2 to the power of 5. What is the C value? What we have to assume? Therefore, in the place of C, we have to write cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11 is equal to 1 by 32. Okay. Now we see the example 3. If cos theta is equal 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x, then prove that cos 3 theta is equal 1 by 2 into x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, given that cos theta is equal 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x, we have cos 3 theta formula. What is the cos 3 theta formula? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So that is 4 into cos cube theta. What is the cos theta value is there? 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. We know that a plus b whole cube, that is equal to what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now we have to write here 4 into a plus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube, we get here 4 into 1 by 2 x plus 1 by x whole cube means 4 into 1 by 8 into x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3ab. A cube plus b cube, we get here a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube, that is equal a cube plus b cube plus 3ab minus a minus b. Now here 3x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x minus 3 by 2 into x minus 3x. Now we have to simplify what? 1 by 2 into x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 by 2 into x, 3 by 2x, simplify 3 by 2x minus 3 by 2x. Cos 3 theta is equal, we get here 1 by 2 into x cube plus 1 by x whole cube. That means what? A cube plus b cube. We get here a plus b whole cube. 1 by 2 into what we have to get? A cube plus b cube. Okay. Now we see the another problem. Show that sin A is equal sin 3a divided by 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a. Here we have to take the RHS part. Sin 3a divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2a. Now here we have to write in the place of sin 3a, formula is there, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, that is divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 2a formula, 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay. In the numerator part we have to take the common sin a. Sin a, take the common, we get sin a into 3 minus 4 sin square a is divided by 1 plus 2 into 1 2, 1 plus 2 minus 2 into 2 4, 4 sin square a. Now here in the denominator part take the common sin a into 3 minus 4 sin square a divided by 3 minus 4 sin square a. Here 3 minus 4 sin square a, 3 minus 4 sin square a cancel, we get sin a is the RHS part. Okay, here what we have to take here, RHS part, show that sin A is equal sin 3A divided by 1 plus 2 cos A. In the place of sin 3A, we know the formula 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. In the place of cos 2A, we have to write the formula 1 minus 2 sin square A. We get sin A, take the common in the numerator, we get 3 minus 4 sin square A. In the denominator also, after getting the simplification, we get 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 4 sin square A. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, that is 3 minus 4 sin square A. And the numerator 3 minus 4 sin square is there, denominator also 3 minus 4 sin square is there. The both are to be cancelled, we get sin A, that is equal to RHS. Now we see the example 5. Show that secant 8 theta minus 1 by secant 4 theta minus 1 is equal tan 8 theta divided by tan 4 theta. Clear? Secant 8 theta minus 1 divided by secant 4 theta minus 1 is equal tan 8 theta divided by tan 4 theta is there. Now we have to take the LHS part. Secant 8 theta minus 1 by secant 4 theta minus 1. Okay, that is equal. Now we write in the place of secant 8 theta, we write 1 by cos 8 theta also possible, because the secant opposite function is cos is there. That's why we have to write in the place of secant 8 theta 1 by cos 8 theta. Okay, 1 by cos 8 theta minus 1 divided by, same way secant 4 theta how to write 1 by cos 4 theta minus 1. Okay, the next step we have to do the LCM part. We get 1 minus cos 8 theta divided by cos 8 theta, that is total is divided by 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by cos 4 theta. Now we have to do the simplify. 1 minus cos 8 theta divided by 1 minus cos 4 theta into cos 4 theta by cos 8 theta is there. That is equal, now we write 1 minus cos 2 into 4 theta. 2 into 4 means 8 theta is there. That's why we have to write 1 minus cos 2 into 4 theta divided by 1 minus cos 2 into 2 theta into cos 4 theta by cos 8 theta. Now 1 minus cos 2 theta is there, 2 sin square 4 theta. Now using the multiple angle formula, that is equal 2 sin square 4 theta divided by 2 sin square 2 theta into cos 4 theta divided by cos 8 theta. That is equal, here 2 to cancel. Okay, 2 to cancel, we have to write sin square 4 theta, we write sin 4 theta into sin 4 theta divided by sin square 2 theta into cos 4 theta by cos 8 theta. Now in the place of sin 4 theta, we have to write sin of 2 into 2 theta also possible. So that sin of 2 into 2 theta into sin 4 theta divided by sin square 2 theta into cos 4 theta divided by cos 8 theta. Now we know that sin 2a formula, sin 2 theta formula क्या है, 2 sin theta into cos theta, but in the place of theta is 2 theta is there. Using that formula we get 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta, 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into sin 4 theta by sin square 2 theta, how to write sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta into cos 4 theta by cos 8 theta is there. Now 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta, how to write 2 sin 4 theta and cos 4 theta. Okay, 2 sin 4 theta and cos 4 theta. Now write cos of 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta into cos 8 theta is there. Here sin 2 theta cancel. The next step we write sin 8 theta, sin 4 theta cos 4 theta, we have to write sin 8 theta into cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta into cos 8 theta. The next step we have to write sin 8 theta divided by cos 8 theta and also divided by sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. Sin 8 theta by cos 8 theta we get tan 8 theta. Sin 2 theta by cos theta we get tan 2 theta. This is RHS part. Okay, now we see the example 6. If sin x plus sin a is equal to a and cos x plus cos y is equal to b, then show that cos of x plus y is equal to b square minus a square divided by a square plus b square. Okay, here given condition is what? Sin x plus sin y is equal to a and cos x plus cos y is equal to b. then show that cos of x plus y is equal b square minus a square divided by a square plus b square. Here given that sin x plus sin y is equal to a, sin x plus sin y is equal to a. Now we have to apply the formula of sin c plus sin d formula. We get what? 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to a. Okay. Also given that cos x plus cos y is equal to b. Now here also we apply the same formula, cos c plus cos d formula. We get 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to b. Divide equation 1 with equation 2. Divide equation 1 and equation 2. That implies we get 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2, that is totally is divided by 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to what? A by b. Now here 2 cancel, sin by cos we get tan, and cos also cancel. That implies we get tan of x plus y by 2 is equal a by b. We have cos 2a formula. What is the cos 2a formula? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So that cos of x plus y is equal 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x plus y by 2. That is equal, what is the tan of x plus y by 2 value? A by b is there. So that in the place of tan of x plus y by 2, we have to write a by b. That is equal 1 minus a by b whole square, that is totally is divided by 1 plus a by b whole square. Okay, are you clear? 1 minus a by b whole square divided by 1 plus a by b whole square. That is equal, we have to do the simplification. We get b square minus a square divided by b square and b square plus a square divided by b square. Here b square cancel, numerator denominator, then we get b square minus a square by b square plus a square. Okay, are you clear? Now we see once again, if sin x plus sin y is equal to a and cos x plus cos y equal to b, then show that cos of x plus y is equal to b square minus a square by a square plus b square. Okay. Now here apply the formula. Given that sin x plus sin y equal to a, now we have to apply sin c plus sin d formula. We get what? 2 sin of x plus y by 2 and cos of x minus y by 2 equal to a. This is we consider equation number 1. And also given that cos x plus cos y also equal to b is there. Cos x plus cos y also equal to b is there. Now here also same formula we apply, cos c plus cos d formula. What is the cos c plus cos d formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So that we get here 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 equal to b. This is equation number 2. From using this equation number 1 and equation 2, we have to do divide equation 1 with equation 2. That implies we get 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. This total is divided by 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to a by b. Here the numerator is 2 is there, denominator 2 is there, both are to be cancelled, and again cos of x minus y by 2 in the numerator part and the denominator part also cos of x minus y by 2, both are to be cancelled. So that finally we get here sin by cos means tan. So that is implies tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to a by b. We have cos 2a is equal 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. How to write this one? This is the multiple angle formula of the cos 2a. So totally how many formulas are there in cos 2a? 3-4 formulas are there. What is the suitable formula we have to apply here? Here we know that tan value is there, that's why we have to using the tan formula. That is cos 2a is equal 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now using this one cos of x plus y, using the half angle, that is submultiple angle formula. How to write this one? Cos a is equal 1 minus tan square a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. But here the tan a by 2, we get here in the place of a we have to write tan of x plus y by 2. So that 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x plus y by 2. Here tan of x by x plus y by 2 value is what? A by b. So that in the place we have to substitute a by b. That is equal 1 minus a by b whole square divided by 1 plus a by b whole square. Now we can do the simplification. We get b square minus a square divided by b square. This total is divided by b square plus a square divided by b square. Here b square cancel. We get the finally b square minus a square divided by b square plus a square. Okay. Now we see the assignment. If sin x plus sin y equal to a and cos x plus cos y equal to b, then show that cos of x plus y equal b square minus a square by a square plus b square. Okay. Number 2 is there. If cos theta is equal 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x, then prove that cos 3 theta is equal 1 by 2 x cube plus 1 by x whole cube. Here we have to apply a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. Are you clearly understanding about these problems by using the multiple and submultiple angle formulas? Okay. Thank you. The next class we discuss another formula, another problem also. We have to discuss next class the remaining problems to be continued. I will explain. Okay. Thank you very much.